Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to merge audio clips together. So let's get started. So it's very easy. I have my two audio clips here, and to group them, I simply need to select both of them just like so, and then right click and then click on nest. And then you can name your nested sequence right here, whatever you want. So in my case, I'll just leave it be. So from here, as you can see, they are now bonded together as one. And if you want to edit them, then you can just double click on your nested sequence. And then from here, you can edit your nested sequence contents or the one that you have bonded together. So to go back, you need to go back into your sequence right here. And then from here, you can also right click on this and render and replace right here. Click on this one, and then this would finalize that they are bonded together. And when you double click on it, you won't be able to edit it anymore because they are now a single entity right here in Adobe Premiere Pro, and you have successfully merged audio clips together. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.